In this video, you're going to learn how to build websites in HighLevel. Hey there, my name is Kerry, Knoll, and inside this video, I'm going to answer these three questions to help you understand what you can do. So number one is what types of websites can you actually build in HighLevel? Number two, how to build a HighLevel website. And number three, how to host a WordPress website inside of HighLevel. So we're going to hop out of here. I'm going to go into my demo sub account, and I'm going to make some assumptions that you understand that you need to be adding a domain, and that you have to do that by going through settings and then domains, adding your domain, getting the records, putting those records into your registrar where your DNS is hosted, and getting that all set up, of course, first and foremost. But if you want to just get started building out different types of websites inside of HighLevel without pointing them to a domain or having them live on the internet, you can go into Sites on the left hand side, and then from Sites we start with funnels, so you can build out a sales funnel. That's kind of a type of website, but I know that for the most part this question's about these right here, websites, right next to it. So we have websites, and then we also have WordPress. Okay, I'll start with websites. So with websites, we can create a website by clicking on plus new website, and then we can start from blank, from scratch, or we can choose from over 1,000 plus templates, which is pretty cool. So we can give it a name. In this case, we can just call it demo, and we can just get started. I'm going to show you how to get started from scratch first. So click create, and then for the most part, if you're familiar with the funnel builder at all, or your ClickFunnels user, the website builder is exactly the same. The only difference is instead of in funnels, if we go into this funnel, let me show you. If we go into this funnel, we have steps. In websites, it's the same thing, only we have pages. Okay, and so we just click add new page instead of add new step, give it a name. So this could be home. We can give it a path if we want, like home or whatever. You can even import a ClickFunnels URL if you want to, which is really nice. Click create new page, and now you have your first page. Well, you might need a second page, so you'll click add new page, and this might be about us, and then the path might be about us, and you can create a new page again, right? And so you can keep adding as many of these pages as you need for your website. Then what you can do from an edit, you can create from blank, or you can use existing. If I click on use existing, right, import an existing funnel or a website page, so we can import a funnel if we wanted to, if we had a funnel, or another website if we had one. So if we have this one here, like form 0, then we can grab these pages and we can import it directly into this new website, making it easy to duplicate and not start from scratch every time if we want to. But in this case, we're going to click on create from blank. And then from this perspective, this is the same editor as you see in the funnel section. It's a little different than what ClickFunnels has, but of course the functionality of the color coordination of the different sections, like a actual section is green, then a row is blue, then an element is orange. So if you're familiar with any of that in ClickFunnels, it's exactly the same here in HighLevel. So you can create your page doing this. You can keep adding more sections if you want. I can add another full width section. I can add a 2-column row. I can add an element here if I wanted to, like an image or a video. I can just keep building out this page however I want, and then I can save it. And then of course I can't publish it until I've connected it to a domain. But this is how you build out a website inside of HighLevel. All right, if I go back, I can keep doing this with each page, build them out, etc. If I want to go back, and we want to create another one, a new website from a template, we can do that too. So we can click from templates instead, click continue. We're going to be showing all the different templates of sites that they have available, right? So they're all templates, my templates shared with me, and you can go through categories as well. And there's a ton of categories and different types, and you can pick any of these to get started from, instead of starting from scratch, right? So perhaps we're starting a marketing agency and we want something kind of clean and simplistic. We might start with this one here. I don't know why, but you can preview it too if you want to see what it looks like before you actually import it a little bit better. You can see kind of the layout the graphics, etc., that you could be implementing and using from scratch. And to make any changes you want, you can just click on continue if you want to use it. If you want to go back and look at something else, you can click back. We can look at this one instead. Let's see what this one looks like. All right, so this one, the image is a little skewed because of the way it's formatted, I think, here. You can see what it looks like for the most part. And then if we want to, we can go back and we can say, well, let's look at everything for marketing. So we have website designer, marketing, merchandise store, marketing agency template that we just looked at, affiliate, content creators, digital agency. Let's look at that one. So you can see, like I said, you can just pick and choose whichever one you want. And let me see if there's anything else I can look at specifically that would make sense. So you can look at any of these, like I said, and you can pick any of them you want. So let's just say we want to pick this one, and it gives you all kinds of information, more information about it if you want to. And then we can click continue, and it's literally going to add the template to our website section. And once it's actually finished, we can go ahead and edit it the same as you would if you created something from scratch. So it's initially opening the home page where we can make all of our changes, edits, add stuff, remove stuff, whatever the case may be, whatever we want to do with it, right? So that's how we can build out a page or a website very quickly. You can also access all the different pages within it very quickly through clicking on the down arrow next to home page. You can go to each of these pages and edit them directly without having to exit back and forth. And these are all the pages that are included right now in this particular theme that we imported. All right, so that is how you can build a website inside of HighLevel. That's basically just like building out a sales funnel, only it's not steps, it's individual pages all linked together, probably siloed for SEO purposes. Then we have WordPress, right? So we have the dashboard under WordPress, and we can get started with WordPress hosting. You can activate it, and then once you're activated, you can install WordPress and have a whole WordPress site installed and hosted on very fast servers inside of your own HighLevel account as well. So you have those two options for websites. You have the websites or website builder within HighLevel to use, and you can host your own WordPress sites if you want. Plus you have, of course, the funnel builder, which is what I primarily build most of my sites, quote unquote, in, no matter what, simply because it has connected functionality, which is nice to have when it comes to marketing and sales. All right, so that's it. Thanks so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. If you have any questions that I didn't answer in this video, please let me know by leaving me a comment below this video. I'll do my best to answer them in a timely fashion. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest HighLevel bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the HighLevel bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my HighLevel bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my HighLevel Insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes HighLevel Masterclass for Beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about HighLevel. You will also receive the HighLevel Agency Masterclass for Beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P 10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving Marketing Engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link, or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.